Hi, Rayapati.
Hi.
Like, I have a doubt, Rayapati. Like, can I do screen share like it's meant?
Just. But make sure this is live streamed, so make sure of that.
Yeah. No issue. This is my personal account. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
See, I have created simple visualization like subcategory by sales. Okay. So I have taken the grand total subcategory by sales as average. Okay.
What is average?
Average.
Grand total you took average.
Yes,
Okay.
I have taken that average grand total.
Okay.
But I want that grand total average in percentage. This sales again I kept in and I created a percentage of total. So whatever the value we have for the accessories, we'll get the percentage. Whatever we have art for, we'll get the percentage. But I want grand total as percentage only. It is showing that the overall grand total.
No.
Did you understand my point?
Yeah, I understood your question. But the functioning of grand total is or percent of total. The functioning of
yes,
percent
here
total.
we have an option for that, like here total using average, but here it is not getting.
No, the reason is when you are taking an average also, whatever you are taking is percent of total. And how does percent of total behave? Whatever the values that are present in the view, right? Those values, it will, what do you say, the individual contribution of the total values will get there. So I'm a bit doubtful on your, because when you take percent of total, see what is percent of total? When I divide the total value into 100 parts, what percentage share that individual like subcategory will get it, right? So if I divide my total sales, let it be sum of sales, average of sales, mean of sales, or max of sales, I'm not bothered. But how much of that percentage is accessories taking? How much of that percentage is appliances taking?
Yes, out of 100.
So, okay, if that is the case, can you tell me what number are you expecting in that below?
Here I'm expecting that sum of all these values divided by.
If you are, okay, divide again, you want it to be divided by.
Because we want average, right? Here also we got like 135. How we got it? Sum of all this divided by
no,
how
percent of total behaves in a different way.
Yeah, that's what I just need actually.
So percent of total doesn't come that way. Again, you want this to overall, if you want again an average. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay,
So here you're saying you have subcategory, you have seats, and here the total using. Okay, I didn't have totals. Do 10 average. I'm getting this. Now, again, you wrote a percentage of total. Let me write it. We converted this into format and this into percentage. Now you're saying here you want 100%. So let me write another transaction.
middle one.
Again, even this doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, I think you got it.
Yes, it's got it. Like how you
See, the
return the
difference
calculation.
is because here this is a table calculation. When it is a table calculation, it is always based on what values you have.
Okay, okay.
But when I am writing my LOD, now my values are not based on the values that are present in the view, but the values that are present in the database level.
Mhm.
So then when I am taking an average, it is actually giving you all that value.
So what you have written in that calculation 13?
I just took a table-scoped LOD as a denominator.
Somehow sales by somehow. Okay.
Open this. Let me put it in here. Okay. This is what I have put. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Raj.